Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up internet sharing on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to go ahead and start by selecting the System Preferences button down in our system dock. So go ahead and left click on that. Select the sharing folder, and then select internet sharing on the left side here and check mark inside the box where it says internet sharing. If you cannot check mark the box, you may have to share your connection from and click inside this drop down here. Select which connection from link you want to share it from, and then check mark the box where it says on. Select OK, and there you go, guys. Simple as that. And as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.